Let me show you how you can put page number on your pages and artboards in Affinity by Canva. Head to Layout, so you move from Vector Pixel into the Layout so you can see the preview of all of your pages here on the left. You should be also able to see your master page. Master page is like a template that will affect all other pages. That's why it's the best place to place your page number. So we don't need to manually copy and paste to all of the pages. So head to the master page and open that. Next, I will use the text frame to draw a frame for my number. Don't need to type in anything. With this empty text frame, head to the top of your screen, select text, insert, fields. And as you can see, the very first one is page number. Here it is. Let's zoom in a bit so we can see it better. So that's a placeholder. It will be replaced by number on each page. I can modify the style of the text here. So I can make this text larger. I can change the color of it, alignment, and of course font. All right. I can also copy that, Command C, Command V, and move to the right side on the right page. So let's say we got those unusual numbering from the middle. And now we want to go back from master pages to the regular document. So then double tap on page number 1 and you will see numbers now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we don't need to manually add those numbers. If you want to modify the style, go back to master page, move it around, change the color, do whatever you want to do, and it will affect the whole document. Again, if you got page that you don't want to have this kind of formatting from your master page A, you can create master page B without numbers and use that instead. Or you can detach one page from following your master style. All right, that's how you can add numbers to all of your pages in Affinity version 3. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.